Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're taking a closer look at a trusted name in the dual sport world, the 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300. Known for its balance of on-road usability and off-road capability, the KLX 300 has been a go-to machine for riders who want adventure without compromise. The 2026 model builds on that legacy with thoughtful refinements, making it more capable and appealing than ever. Let's see what's new and why this KLX 300 is set to turn heads. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300 keeps its rugged, trail-ready appearance but sharpens it with sleeker lines and fresh details. A reworked front fender and updated LED headlamp give it a modern, aggressive face, while slimmer body panels improve ergonomics for off-road maneuverability. New graphics packages and color options add style, ensuring riders can stand out whether they're on the street or deep in the woods. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 KLX 300 is the proven 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, tuned for responsive low-end torque and smooth mid-range power. The 6-speed transmission delivers versatility for both trails and highway stretches. Suspension refinements, including updated damping and spring rates, enhance stability off-road while improving comfort on pavement. Lightweight construction keeps the bike nimble, and fuel efficiency remains excellent for long-distance exploring. Safety and technology. Kawasaki has added subtle but valuable tech updates to the 2026 KLX 300. The new digital instrument cluster offers improved readability and expanded information such as gear position and fuel range. ABS is now available on select trims, giving riders added peace of mind on varied surfaces. LED lighting ensures better visibility, while optional USB charging keeps devices powered during adventures. These features make the KLX 300 more rider-friendly without losing its rugged character. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300 strikes a fine balance between fun, practicality, and versatility. With updated styling, enhanced suspension, and smart technology, it's ready for both daily commutes and off-road escapes. For riders seeking one bike to do it all, the new KLX 300 continues to prove why it's a dual sport favorite. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates on the machines that shape the ride.